Hi, welcome to SBS Unpacked. Today we're unpacking the WillowWood Metashock X foot. The Metashock X is PDAC verified, and the codes are L5984 and L5987. This lightweight foot is appropriate for K3 and K4 activity levels, and at one of the shortest in its category, the foot is a great option for community walkers, runners, joggers, and patients who may have joint or limb sensitivity. The Metashock X has many of the same form and function of the Metashock foot, plus torsion for improved patient mobility. The max weight is 365 pounds. Inside the box, you will find a user manual, a sock, and the Metashock X. Like all Meta feet, it has an ultra-low build height of 5.4 inches, and it's lightweight at 1.59 pounds. Unique to the Metashock X and Metashock is, in conjunction with ultra-low build height, the foot features maximum vertical displacement. Sizes range from 22 to 30 centimeters, and the heel height for all sizes is 3/8 of an inch. The split-toe foot shells are sold separately and come in 3 colors: buff, tan, and medium brown. All feet in the Meta line have a unibody design, meaning the heel and keel are made from a single piece of carbon fiber, with no wraps or connecting hardware. All Meta feet come with a split keel and a sandal toe. They are also waterproof and corrosive resistant, so patients can enjoy the pool and beach activities with minimum worry. If the foot is exposed to salt water or sandy environments, the patient should spray it with fresh water to keep it in the best condition. The ankle on the Metashock X is made up of a shock unit. Here you can see the shaft with torsion and shock dome, which is made from one piece of titanium for added stability. Inside, you have the same multi-phase shock absorption from the Metashock, but with 40 degrees of torsional ankle rotation plus 20 degrees in either direction. This integrated torsion component reflexively adapts to variations when walking on uneven terrain and promotes natural rotational movement and gait fluency with less torque applied to the residual limb. Overall, the Metashock X is a lightweight option for patients looking for a low build height with maximum displacement. For more information about the Metashock X, visit sbsco.com. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe.